specific change have you encountered as a new student? As a new student, I encounter such challenge like cultural and social adjustments. Because adapting to a new cultural and social environments can be challenging, especially for someone like me who is naturally shy and not very outgoing. What specific CSU1 rules and responsibilities that was affected? The rules and responsibilities that affected is communication with others. Because it is important to me so I can make an effort to reach out and connect with everyone even if sometimes it feels challenging. What 21st century skills will help you manage or overcome such challenge, issue, or change? The time management, critical thinking, and communication. Because it can help me organize, make better decisions, and work with my fellow blockmates. By doing this, I continue to learn more or expand my skills and to discover more things to help me more prepared for the future academic work or a professional job. What will possibly happen once you manage such challenge, issue, or change? That is, I don't have to cram my activities on time and I have a lot of time to do other personal things freely without feeling stressed. Especially that one course of mine, the instructor gave us a lot of activities, but I did it on the next day because I don't like to cram and be stressed about it.